Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to activate the Open to Work feature on your LinkedIn profile. First, ensure you are viewing your own profile page. If you are elsewhere, click the Me icon in the top navigation bar and select View Profile. Once there, click the blue Open to button and select Finding a New Job from the list. In this section, specify your preferred job titles and locations. It is essential to select the All LinkedIn Members Visibility option so the green frame appears on your profile picture. After entering your job titles, click Save. You can select No Thanks on the following pop-up. As you can see, the Open to Work status is now active. This is a simple way to update your professional status on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.